Purpose and objectives of management accounting. The primary objective of management accounting is to enable the management to maximize profits or minimize losses. The basic goal of any business organization is to earn money in the name of profit, so that they are going to engage in different type of business activities like trading activity, production or manufacturing activity, or providing services. In doing so, they are going to achieve their goals, that is earning the profits. So in this process, one of the basic objective of management accounting is to assist or guide the management in maximizing these profits or minimizing the possible losses. In addition to this primary objective, we can identify some other objectives also. First one, it is uses of information. The primary functions of management are the uses of information. It presents accounting information in a form that enables the management, investors, and creditors to analyze the financial statements. The financial statements which are prepared in financial accounting and cost accounting, that cannot be easily understandable by a common people, so that the data what is available in financial accounting and cost accounting and in some other departments, all that need to be collected, and they should be presented in such a manner which is easy to understand by all, that is the management, investors, creditors, etc., so that they can take their own decisions. So one of the objective of management accounting is uses of information. Another objective, planning and policy formulation. As we already know, planning is concerned with deciding the future course of action. So what is to be done, how is to be done, when is to be done, everything will be decided in advance. It helps the management in making effective planning. It provides costing and statistical data to be utilized in setting goals and formulating future policies. Okay, what we need to do in future, that to be decided in advance. So if we know what to do, then we can do it. So that planning is very much important. In addition to that, the related guidelines, procedures, policies also need to be formulated. Okay, by utilizing the different information from financial department, cost accounting department, and that will be arranged in a suitable manner by utilizing the statistical tools, statistical data. Okay, just like average, maximum, minimum, and also creating the relationship between different aspects like purchase of raw materials, production, storage, sales, etc., etc. We can formulate the future plans and also the policies in connection with that. That is another objective of management accounting. Another important objective is decision making. So decision, we already know, deciding the best or selecting the best out of available alternatives. It helps the management in decision making. It uses accounting data to solve various management problems. So management accounting techniques like cost volume profit analysis, standard costing, budgetary control, capital budgeting, fund flow statement, all these are going to assist the management in arriving at the correct decision. Okay, so decision making is one of the important function of management. Assisting management in doing this function is the basic another objective of the management accounting. Okay, so every decision has its own effect on the growth and profit making ability of any business organization. Okay, in taking proper decision, Different tools may be used by the management accounting, like cost volume profit analysis. That is, so what is the total cost incurred? By incurring that, what is the total volume of production, and what is the sales, and what is the profit? So how much relation, what is the relationship between these four? That is cost volume profit analysis. So standard costing, so budgetary control, for example cash budget for a particular period, for example for month of January. So what is the total cash requirement? So what is the cash already available? So for what purpose cash is required? So how much cash required, and in what sources that cash to be generated, and what is the minimum balance we need to maintain always? So this can be prepared in advance, so that according to that we can perform our activities. So by using different techniques or tools available, management accounting is going to help the management in decision making. So using different tools and assisting in decision making is the objective of management accounting. Another objective is motivating. So motivation means individuals need desires and concepts that causes him or her to act in a particular manner. So every individual has their own feelings. They want to do something, they don't want to do something, and they will get stimulated to do a particular activity willfully, willingly, without any external force. So that we are going to call in the name motivating. So motivating urges or forces a particular person to perform a particular activity most effectively and efficiently without any external force. So creating motivation in the mind of employees, that is also another challenge which is there in front of management. So in doing so, management accounting is going to suggest so how the employees motivation level can be improved, it can be increased. So by delegating authorities, by assigning responsibilities, etc., etc. So in this course also, how an individual's motivation level to be increased to the maximum extent. So management accounting is going to give proper suggestions to the management. Again, this is another objective of management accounting. Next one is controlling. So each and every activity need to be controlled. So when we can able to control, if we know what need to be done and what was actually done. Okay, what we need to be done, that is called planning. Okay, the actual performance is performed according to plan or not. If it is not performed, so what are the obstacles, what are the problems? Identifying that and finding related solutions to come out from that situation, that we are going to call here in the name controlling. So in doing so, again management need different suggestions or inputs from various sources. So one of the objective of management accounting is going to provide all the inputs to the management in controlling different type of activities. So coordinating the operations, coordinating to achieve a particular task, different type of activities need to be performed. All that activities to be performed in the designed manner with cooperation. For example, if the marketing department receives the order to supply 10,000 units of finished products, then to produce that finished products, how much raw material is required, that need to be assessed by production department. Now that material to be procured, that to be done by stores department, how much stock they already have and how much they need to purchase, etc., etc. Then to make that purchases, payment need to be made, that is to be done by finance department. Again, to make the production, how much human resource required, how much new workers or employees need to be appointed, that is to be done by human resource department. Like this, each and every department in the organization, production department, finance department, human resource department, marketing department, if they perform with the cooperation, then only the targeted goal can be achieved. Okay, in creating this coordination between different departments, management accounting is going to help the management. Okay, this is again another objective of management accounting. Then reporting, so collecting the data from different sources and suitably arranging the same in the form of forms, in the form of accounts, statements, reports, etc., etc., and presenting the same in front of the management, so that management is going to understand and takes their own decisions in connection with this. Okay, so reporting is very much necessary. What are all the data collected, analyzed, if it is unable to present the same in front of management in understandable manner, all the previous activities becomes useless. So that another objective of management accounting is reporting to the management, and helps in organizing. Okay, organizing means what target I need to achieve. To achieve that, what are all the activities I need to perform. To achieve that or to perform that activities, what are the different sources required. So financial sources, material sources, human resource sources, technology, whatever. So all identifying all that and procuring the same in the required number or required quantity, and suitably arranging the same. For example, production department, so how many human resource required, how many managers required, how many assistant managers, how many supervisors, how many foremen, how many workers, and what are their authorities, what are their responsibilities, who should approach whom for the purpose of guidance, who can give order to the other person, what are their limitations. So all these need to be designed, and every person should have clarity in their mind what actually they need to do. So a structure is created. Just by seeing that, any person may come to know, so what is this organization is, and from where it is starting, and from where it is going to end. So in doing so, so identifying different activities, and also identifying different authority centers, responsibility centers, etc., etc., management has to perform their activity. In doing so, management accounting is going to help them a lot. Okay, so another objective of management accounting is helping the management in organizing the different resources so that they can achieve the predetermined goal. So these are the objectives of management accounting in any other business organization.